Louise Bennet, 1919 to 2006, was born in 1919 in Kingston, Jamaica and died in 2006. She was a folklorist, a singer, actress, poet, entertainer and TV personality. She made poetry popular with Jamaicans. Bennet Coverley, who is affectionately known by Jamaicans as Miss Lou, created poetry in Jamaican patois. She championed the English-based Creole language and remains one of Jamaica's most prominent cultural figures. Bennet Coverley, who is affectionately known by Jamaicans as Miss Lou, created poetry in Jamaican patois. Although she lived in Toronto, Canada for the last decade, she still receives the homage of the expatriate West Indian community in the North as well as a large Canadian following. She was described as Jamaica's leading comedienne, as the only poet who has really hit the truth about her society through its own language, and as an important contributor to her country of valid social documents reflecting the way Jamaicans think and feel and live through her poems in Jamaican patois. She raised the dialect of the Jamaican folk to an art level which is acceptable to and appreciated by all in Jamaica. In her poems she was able to capture all the spontaneity of the expression of Jamaicans' joys and sorrows, their ready, poignant and even wicked wit, their religion and their philosophy of life. Her first dialect poem was written when she was 14 years old. A British Council scholarship took her to the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art where she studied in the late 1940s. Bennet not only had a scholarship to attend the academy but she auditioned and won a scholarship. After graduation she worked with repertory companies in Coventry, Huddersfield and Amersham as well as in intimate revues all over England.